Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today we are going to learn about data control language or DCL. So this particular statements are used only to grant and revoke privileges for users. So there are two statements: grant privileges on object to user, which is to provide accesses. So grant privileges, you can see the list of privileges, select to give select statement only, insert for inserting additional data, delete for deleting data, create for creating new tables or objects, alter to alter the existing table definition, drop to drop tables, update to update any table definition. All means all the above privileges are granted except grant. And then grant and revoke privileges, you can use the keyword grant itself. On object is on which object do you want to provide, and the user means username. Similarly, we have revoke to revoke privileges on object from user. So these are available primarily when you work in real time, and in the SQLite Studio right now I don't have the option to demonstrate the DCL, but you can always keep it in mind and you can practice when you are working in real time. That's it for the video. Thank you.